Hey guys, it's me, Surfer BRG. And I know you guys want our suit video, but I got the mascot from Wienerschnitzel recently, so I know a lot of people want a suit video. I've been super busy because I just moved into a newer place. Let me try to adjust this camera just a little bit. Alright, sorry it's not the best, but you know, I'm currently working on cleaning up and organizing this place. But anyway, so you guys want a suit up video of the Hotdog Mascot I scored from Wienerschnitzel. So there's really not too much to this suit up video. It's kind of very simple, but let's get started. First thing is, let me put on the pants slash leggings. Yeah, how we acquired this is a friend responded to an offer up. I think it was OfferUp or LetGo, one of those websites slash apps where people are just letting go stuff. And someone's letting us go for a couple hundred, so we reached out to them and basically got the suit. So yeah, right now these are just the leggings I had to put on the pants. Kind of weird thing, but okay. Here's the vest for the arms. So it's really cool item. And one thing I'm relieved is it did come with extra parts, but unfortunately it was lacking the, how should I say it? It was lacking the actual gloves, so I just had to use what I got for now until I get a better pair of gloves. And yeah, so got the underarm stuff on. Here are the shoes, which have a really cute design with the logo on it and stuff. And yeah. And I've had this brand of fast food before, because it looks like I'm the one collecting restaurant mascots now. Alright, so on to the hot dog. It's a little heavy, but it's also comfortable. But gotta do what I gotta do. I would show the inside, but there's really not much to see on the inside. So anyway, gotta do what I gotta do. Okay, and last thing last is put on these gloves. These are just cheap gloves I got for now until I get some better cartoon gloves. But yeah, because it was missing the original gloves. We would have reached out to the suit maker, but I think the suit maker had basically just disappeared, I guess. That's what we've heard, what we found out, which was really shocking because we like their work. And there we go. I got this suit up all completed. It is a little heavy, but it's also comfortable to wear, so it takes a little strength, time, stamina, and practice. But not a whole lot I can say, but anyhow, so this is what's like cosplaying, dressing up as the most wanted hot dog from Wienerschnitzel. But anyway, so I had to shoot this video for you guys. Hope to do some more funny videos. But anyway, hope you like this video and see you guys in the next one.